The Attorney General's Department, led by its Chief State Attorney, Dorothy Afriyie Ansah, has explained to the Judgment Debt Commission circumstances that led to the payment of huge judgment debts in cases involving P&A Construction Wood Limited and One Peter Abbam against the state. In both cases, default judgments were awarded, meaning the Attorney General's Department made no appearances in court, a situation described by the Commissioner, Mr. Justice Yaw Apau, as unfortunate, especially in protecting the state coffers. The Chief State Attorney, Dorothy Afriyie Ansah, appeared before the Commission to explain the circumstances leading to the payment of judgment debt of over $526,000 to P&A Construction Wood Limited. Stating the facts of the case, Madam Dorothy Afriyie Ansah said P&A Construction Wood Limited was awarded a contract for the construction of Ankase and Ejratia Road project and the internal financing of roads at Efiakobi Secondary School in the Ashanti region. According to her, the contractor commenced the project but opted out along the line and put in a request for payment for work already done. The lead counsel for the Commission also said there was an arbitration clause in the contract which P&A Construction Wood Limited ignored and went to court, where the company was subsequently awarded the amount. But the Attorney General had entered an appearance in the matter but failed to contest it and also refused to go for assessment after the judgment had been awarded to P&A Construction Wood Limited. Documents available to the Commission indicated that a judgment was entered on 25th June 2008 and certificate of judgment was done on October 26, 2009. The Department Director, Finance and Administration of the Department of Urban Roads, Mr. Philip Latte, also made an appearance in a case involving One Peter Abbam and the Attorney General. Peter Abbam was paid a judgment debt of about 264,000 Ghana cedis in 2 tranches as compensation when his house was allegedly affected during the construction of the Kanda Highway in 1993 by the Urban Roads. According to the lead counsel, Demeti Kofi Sokpo, all affected persons were paid their compensation, but Mr. Abbam later asserted he had property along the highway. He went to court in 2003, sued the state and had a default judgment because the Attorney General failed to make an appearance. The case was later adjourned for assessment of damages, but Mr. Philip Latte had this to say to the Commission.
Submitted some documentation to the Land Valuation Board then, and they concluded that Peter Abbam was not entitled to any compensation because his property, or that part of his property, fell within the road reservation, which was earmarked for the construction of the overpass at the time.
In this respect, you did all that you could to affect payment to somebody who was not entitled to that payment.
Yes, my lord. We informed, as soon as we got the garnishee order from the Bank of Ghana, or at least the High Court information, we informed the Attorney General, and we know, and we have record to show that the Attorney General filed a motion to set aside the garnishee order that was granted by the High Court.
Sitting continues on the 28th of April.